Hello, hello. Back at it. Another estate sale. You guys know I love estate sales more than yard sales just because you never know what you're going to get in someone's home and their collections, treasure trove. So today we are going into a home that has a large collection, apparently a massive collection of vintage dolls, Harry Potter type dolls. I'm not a huge doll fan. But apparently there's Pyrex inside, other vintage treasures behind all the dolls and stuff. So I thought it would be a fun one to take you with me. And so we are going to go in there and hopefully not be overwhelmed by a bunch of creepy dolls, and hopefully find some good stuff.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Well, thank you. There's items in the garage, a little bit in the backyard, not much. Items in the house, up and down.
Awesome.
20% off if you spend 10 today.
Okay, thank you.
It's not priced out here, just ask me.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Inside folks can help you. You're welcome.
You said 20% off today?
20% off if you spend 10.
Okay. Oh, this guy's, wait. I wonder if he works. I wonder if that's supposed to be like that. These are kind of cool. So this guy is cool. I'm not sure if this tree is original or supposed to be in there. And the back is pretty loose. So for 20% off, I'll have to check online what the normal going price for this one is.
I am not ready for fall. I don't want to wear pants. I hate pants.
I prefer it.
I hate pants. I hate socks. I don't want to wear any of that.
Yeah, it's totally my bread and butter. Love the fall. I wouldn't mind summer, but not this type of summer that we just had, where it's like 110 every day and just humid. And I mean, unless I'm at some sort of a resort by a pool with a drink in hand, then that's enjoyable.
What are you eating good? Mac and
Pasta.
cheese?
Those pasta sides.
I made, probably about a week ago now, I made this huge pan of macaroni and cheese with ham in it. It was good.
Pretty.
I'm not gonna lie, it was really good.
My son's been wanting my mom's cheese potatoes and ham.
Ooh, like scalloped potatoes kind of?
Kind of, but it uses Velveeta, and I'm not a huge Velveeta fan. But that's the only way he wants it.
Good morning, come on in, hon. How are you? Good, thank you. There's items in the garage, there's a little bit in the backyard, stuff in the house, up and down. Don't
This
be
one's
shy to
pretty.
ask about pricing, and it's 20% off.
I'm gonna
today.
need to do like a little box for myself.
And are there many, like, shovels, gardening tools, that kind of thing?
This one's
It was just the
cute.
blower that she
Not
sold.
a lot,
Okay.
not a lot.
Okay. This is cute. Okay.
You know, I've got these same little birds. Yeah.
Love them. I have some,
I've had them forever.
I love them. I don't know why they touch my heart, but they do.
How much is the tray?
Let me just see. This would be 4 originally, and then if you spend 10, it's going to be 20% off.
Four, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. If you're interested in any garage items, let me know. I'll keep them out here with me, excuse me, and just send you in with a ticket to pay.
Hold on to that for me, please.
Okay, what's your first name, hon?
Kathy with a
These
K.
have like
Kathy with a K. That was my mom's name with a K.
And I'm sure I'll spend
stuff that probably would come off, but and a marker. But
No ornaments, the glass ornaments, these. Like
We'll
his version
probably
of this
clean
sells
them
for
up.
$30 because he's a designer.
All right.
I'm not sure if I like these ones actually. I might just do these for my front tree in my house. These four. Okay. I'm gonna get this. Okay, I heard you say garage stuff, leave it here with you?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
perfect.
Come on over, and I'll give you
And then you'll give me a ticket. Okay.
And again, I don't know if you heard me give my whole spiel, but I'm going to mark full price.
Okay, they'll do 20% off at the
They
end.
will, as long as you're at 10.
Yep.
Yeah. It just makes it so much simpler than
Yep.
us trying to discount
Yep.
and then not knowing whether you're eligible for the discount. So we
Gotcha.
just mark full price. Your first name, hun?
Ashley.
Alrighty, so I'll swap you. If you need to add any items, let me know.
Perfect.
And
Once I'm done, I'll pay and just scoop that on the way out.
those
Awesome.
page show it to me. You can pick it up on your way out.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I love this guy.
I know.
He's gorgeous.
Okay,
That's
so that's my 28 on the Santa, 16 on the ornaments pile going. Here we go. Here's the dolls. The introduction to the dolls. Whoa. Wow. So if you're a doll fan, this is the place for you. Oh my gosh, look at this creepy. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This looks like, yep. Christmas spode. This is a fun little pumpkin.
I think they said it's 20% off on everything.
Well, yeah.
I kind of like this.
I'm not sending that.
It's got a chip, but it's only $8 and 20% off. I'm gonna use this in my house. Here we go. Here's the Pyrex they were talking about. The yellow bowl and the green bowl. So if you're a Pyrex fan, this is 18. Kind of scratched up. Really heavy though. And then this is 20. Some little gravy boats. Smells really funky in here. Oh my god, that's why. Look, there's hot dogs. All right, we're going upstairs. Little Americana and some more dolls. Wow, it seemed like this person used this stuff for their dolls, like maybe stitch some stuff. This bag is cool. Oh wow, it's like a doctor's bag or something. Yeah, look at that. Interesting variety. Doctor stuff. Lots of dolls though. The chair is cute. You guys know how I like these old wooden chairs. If we could just refinish this. What's the price on the chair? I just always like to know. No price. No price. Cute though. Oh wow, look. A mini lantern. 40 with doll. This footstool. Not vintage. Nice little cover though, like that fabric. More dolls. Wow. Look at the ET one. Oh my gosh, look at the doll picture. Wow. Oh my god. Like actually, kind of starting to get a little creeped out here. Okay, this guy is really creeping me out right now. Like he's gonna just turn at some point. Okay, let's go outside. I wonder, oh, all of this is for sale. Okay. No, but they're plastic, they're not real. I would love some real concrete planters or some old terracotta. I love that too. The blue pot is cute. Really big backyard. Check out the backyard. Huge. That's awesome. Okay, let's see how much. Is that 14? 19? It's heavy though. It's a good pot. I like the color. Okay, so it's definitely a 14 price because this one I can read a little nicer. Looks like 14. What plant is in here? I bet you'd keep the plant too. Citronella mosquito plant. I just like the pot. The color is really pretty. I wish I could talk to you guys. Maybe I'll start doing lives in these. That way you guys can tell me if I should get stuff or not. They are cute. We'll do one more sweep of the garage, see if there's any more ornaments that we want, because I do have a front vintage tree that I love to decorate. So let's take a look.
Yeah, right there. Huh. You're welcome to test it out. There's an outlet right there.
No, I think we're gonna go ahead and.
I'm just
Oh,
gonna
this
put
is kind of fun.
for the total instead of two. All right, now it's 12.
Because my front tree is all gold, silver, beiges, but I do like the fun different shapes.
Okay.
So three.
Perfect.
Wow, this one is very, very old. Look at that.
No, I guess not.
Find more goodies.
Yeah. I have a tree that I like to decorate with
Oh.
certain palette of colors.
Oh, okay.
And so when I find the vintage ones, I try to think about which ones I want to add to it.
I love these old guys. I love the vintage.
Yeah,
Actually, to me, they're beyond vintage. They're antique. Yes.
exactly. This is a good one. Simple. I think I'm going to add this one. Let's look at my pile. Yeah. He'll go perfect. I'd like to add this one if I could to my
Alrighty.
box. So it'd be another 4.
Yes,
Thank you. Cool. Thank you so much.
you're very welcome.
All right.
You ready?
Check out with you. Can I just leave this over here and I'll have to hold it?
Yeah. Just
So-
tell me the price.
So 8 on that,
Okay.
and then the rest was in the garage.
44.80 plus tax. With tax, it's 47.
Thank you very much.
very much.
Have a good one.
You too.
Oh, am I able to take a little piece of paper for the pumpkin?
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you so much. Great. Stick a...
That's fine.
All right. You're fine. I'm going to hand you my piece.
You're good, hon. Just need to see what's paid.
Perfect, and I'll grab it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So you have that and...
Nope, this was it.
Nope, that was it.
Just
You
this.
need help? You got it?
I got it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, hon.
Everything was 20% off, so I got this pumpkin that was originally 8. I got the Santa for Elena, and it comes with the tree. It does have a light inside that's kind of taped, but we could fix that. Outlet's good. We'll see if it works or not, but either way, cute display. This was 28, 20% off. And then I have a front Christmas tree that I decorate that's just my tree, and it's all this color tone, and I try to keep it with original antique vintage ornaments. And these are all in really good condition, no cracks. You know, I'll change the hooks, but really nice. And this is kind of the palette that I use, like a gold, silvery. I like to get the ones that are shaped like this and fun and unique, which are harder to find. So a little more ball shaped ones, and this one says Noel. It does have a little bit of like confetti or something and glitter from another ornament and a mark on it, but I'll clean it up. And these were each $4, but 20% off. So great deal on the vintage Christmas ornaments. So today was more of a Christmas day, and I got my random pumpkin. So holiday search. So I did remember to bring my awesome organizer. We'll put those in there. Perfect. Wrap this guy up. Oh my gosh. About to get blown away. Put him in there. And then this guy will do something like that. We'll use the diaper pad kind of as an added thing. Boom. Being that there was a lot of vintage dolls in there and collectible dolls, I was happy to see the Christmas collection in the garage. So the rest of the house, I wasn't really too pleased by. There wasn't really any authentic antiques or vintage inside, but the garage was a good source of Christmas collectibles. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about those fun dolls that were just everywhere in the house. That was a little too much for me. After being in there for a while, I started to think that some of them were looking at me or moving, so had to get out of there and go back into the garage. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you're having a good one.